quad filter on the Dodge Dakota.
Come on.
Just sprayed it with PB Blaster, but the funnel was a little oblong.
Where does it need to go down?
Yeah.
Oh.
Actually a little tight.
I want to see if I can get it around the bottom first.
Doesn't matter what you get it on first.
Yeah. I think we're gonna have to cut it.
Yeah. I'm just gonna cut like a slot in it so you can get it to slip on, and then we're gonna hose clamp it. I'm in the camera duty. You're on your own here.
Well, you can go fuck yourself. What?
Had to add horsepower.
How many followers do you have?
I have 6 subscribers right now.
Alright, so
Had to add horsepower for $20 to your Dodge Dakota. That's my car right there.
it's a piece of shit. So just cut one end.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Think that's enough?
Nah, go all the way down. I mean, you can try that. Let's see how that does. That's a throttle binding, all right. Twist it.
I can't. Hold on.
Put the slit up or something. Yeah, there.
Ah.
Almost.
What? Did it go? No.
No. All right. Wait. Hold on. Cut another slot on the other side. This is so stupid.
I know.
You think they'll let us return it like this?
I mean, if it's in the box, they can't tell.
We can paint it black so that it paints over it.
Dude, Flex Seal. Make sure to grab that receipt there.
Electrical tape. That receipt. There. Yeah. So this is the worst $20 impulse purchase ever.
I wouldn't say it's the worst. Make sure to keep this.
Yeah.
There's the box.
I don't know.
Found it. All right.
Did you try like peeling it first?
Fuck off.
Gotta stretch it out. Prime it up.
I'm gonna prime your mom up.
Spectre. Almost. Yeah, I think it's on actually. Just see if you can go a little more. Yep, you're on.
That's it?
Yep. Just get that hose clamp on and we're good to go. This is so stupid.
I know.
It kind of looks.
No, it's not on at the bottom.
It looks kind of cool.
No,
though.
on this side. It's not. Right there.
I'll get to it.
Fuck off. Oh. Damn! Fucked it up. That was so close.
It probably would have worked fine though.
No, it wouldn't.
Try spraying it again.
Ah, it's down at the bottom.
Oh, easy. You're crushing the filter.
You think I'm trying to?
Well, push on it from the bottom.
I'm twisting the filter mostly.
We can try like doing 4 slits.
You know what? This can't get any worse. I mean, worst thing is I'm out $20. So this is the Jimmy Oaks.
Who's that?
YouTuber.
Out here at Walfart.
Why do you give such weird names to things?
Why not?
Why? Is that it?
Looks like it on my side.
How's it down there?
Still no. Hold on, the hose clamp is in the way. Okay, now push. Oh, it's so close. Yeah, you're on.
All right, hold on, check this side. How's it?
I can't say. Yeah, you're on.
Alright.
Just gotta be mindful of the hose clamp position. Try to keep it at the very end there, so it doesn't pinch it and make it pop off.
Gotta be like right there. You wanna go inside and get a $4 screwdriver?
If you want.
Because I think that would be just so much easier. Hold on, let's see how it closes.
Spectre. And it's good.
Hold on. Fuck. Didn't touch it.
Look at that.
Alright.
Onward to Walfart.
Oh, that's bad.
Yeah,
All right, so EJ had a screwdriver in his pocket. We got to the door and then noticed. Now let's see how this does. I am on a different device now, if you notice the difference in quality. That is the PB blaster holder right there. We're probably gonna forget that's there, and then wonder where the hell our PB blaster went. This is so stupid. We have a custom mount for our air intake sensor, which is right there.
I was gonna have it like up here. Or here. There we go.
Finally gripping.
Yeah. How's that? How's it look?
It looks fine. I mean, for what it is.
Well, need to tighten it more. But I have no grip on the screwdriver.
I mean, it's fine the way it is, unless it's not like you're jumping it. Oh, dude, that's fine.
Okay. Whatever you say.
You're fine. Some good shots here.
Fucking weirdo.
Yeah, fire it up. Let's see what she's got. Oh, it's fucking freezing out.
It's not freezing. Fuck you.
38. It's close enough. That's probably fine. That's probably fine.
Probably gonna get a new one.
Give it some revs. Should we go for a test drive? See if it made any noise. We can get that induction roar.
I honestly like how it just says Spectre now.
What?
PB blaster holder. Let's go ahead all the way. I mean, open the hood and see if it stayed. I'm getting a bed box soon, so.
I'm sure you are.
Huh?
I'm sure you are.
Still good.
Got our CB radio. Oh, do you hear it?
Something was different that time.
It's got a little hiss to it. That's good.
Hold on, I'm checking it anyway.
Okay. Yeah, we probably should. Look at that, it's still there.
Come around to this side.
It's fine.
Yeah, we're gonna need to tighten that soon.
That's where it was before.
Well, I'm saying like, get it perfect, or get a new air filter.
Yeah.
Oh, bring the light over here. How do I take this out? What's holding that in?
Just the PCV hose.
Something else is holding it in.
Oh, the whole bottom part?
Yeah.
You'll have to take it out because I can't see.
What's down there? Oh, I see. Okay.
It's fine. Nice. It's a real truck, guys.
Well, not yet. It will be soon. After a lot of money.
Right.